Hey folks, in this video I'll show you how to replace this bathroom door handle with this one right here. And all it should take is a single screwdriver. I've been wanting to replace this handle for a while because it's incredibly noisy. See, touch it and it's just a bunch of metal parts clanging together. And that's a problem because there are two bedrooms right next to the bathroom. And this is an old door, so it's been modified a few times. And so it does need some other work besides replacing the handle, but I'll get to that at another time. First step is to take out the two screws holding the handle in. Now that should just come right out, as well as the other side. Now we'll take out the latch. This happens to be the Halifax style door handle, but I believe these instructions should work for any bed and bath handle set, which means that it has a lock on one side that can be unlocked from the outside in case of an emergency. As you can see, there's not much in the box. There are the handles, the latch, the strike plate. This little piece can be used instead of this rectangular piece here. There's an Allen key for taking the handles on and off, some screws for attaching everything, and the instructions. The first step is to install the latch, and this is actually adjustable depending on how far in the handle is from the side of the door. So you can make this part longer. In our case, that's too long, or shorter, and that's perfect. Now I'll slide in the latch with the angled part in the direction it closes, and then secure it with two of these smaller screws. If you had a round hole in the side of your door and not a rectangular one, that's when you could use this little part instead. This is from a different installation, but this is how you'd remove that rectangular plate and put on that round piece instead. Then you'd slide it into the door just like before. Now slide this in. Here you can see how this slides right through the latch mechanism. Now put on the outer handle. Now secure it with these two screws. This little button locks the door. You can see this one doesn't turn, but it unlocks automatically from the inside. And if you have to unlock it in an emergency, just stick a little thing down there. The old strike plate here is perfectly fine, so I'm gonna leave it. But if you did want to switch it out, just change it out with those two screws. So that's how you install a Kwikset bed and bath handle. Hope it's been helpful, and see you next time.
Hey, I'm Dan, and my mom and I bought some land out in the countryside to build a house. And to help with that, we thought we should have a trailer. So why not renovate a 1949 Spartan manor? So if you want to see how these go, plus some other random DIY stuff, subscribe and follow along.